July 26, 2025. Things to do today. Your mom. Yep. Check. Fix KTM screw-ups on 2425 300 XCW. Oof. That's going to take a while. Haha, well, I'm Dave, and this is the Pennant Racing channel. This is also going on Best Dual Spark Bikes and the TM thing. This is going to be a whole build series on this brand new 25 300 XCW. I specifically went and bought it, $10,500 at my favorite dealership in Sublimity, Oregon. And I bought it specifically for two reasons. One, because I want to see how much bottom end and mid range you can get out of it, how good you can make it run, because that seems to be what everybody wants with these bikes. Two, because I will be selling the TMs, I want them to be perfect when they're sold. And I want you to know what you would be getting into with that versus, say, if you bought one of these, because you just don't buy these off the showroom floor and go and hit the dirt without, a decent amount of problems that are going to crop up. And I just want to show you and prove to you right from the get-go, a brand new bike off the showroom floor, what you're really getting into to make it into probably what you want. Yeah, if you want to like and subscribe to my little things, then I highly appreciate that. All right, I got your mom outside. I'm back to work. See you in 15 minutes.